Hello, sir. Though I have worked you for a very short while, I know you since last so many years, and it was a great pleasure getting associated with you in your lab at BARC. And there are so many things I have learned from you in last year, like both scientifically and so many human values as well, like good behavior and integrity and humbleness. And I wish you a very happy and fulfilling retirement life. I wish we could have celebrated it in a grand manner, but definitely after this corona and lockdown things get over, we'll have a grand celebration. And I would like to thank you for all the support, care, and confidence which you have given me. And I just assure you that we'll definitely make you proud uh, in our scientific career, and definitely will cherish this bond even after your retirement. Once again, I wish you a very happy and fulfilling retirement life. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Hearty congratulations on your retirement for the successful journey of 30 years in BARC. ఈ లాస్ట్ 30 ఇయర్స్లో 1 ఇయర్ మీతో కలిసి ట్రావెల్ చేశాను. ఈ 1 ఇయర్లో చాలా విషయాలు మీ నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నాను. అండ్ చాలా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ వైజ్ కానీ ల్యాబ్ వైజ్ కానీ ప్రతిసారి మీరు ఇచ్చే సజెషన్స్ అవి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉండేవి. అండ్ ల్యాబ్లో చిన్న ల్యాబ్స్ అయినా కూడా ఎలా ఉండాలి, గ్రో ఎలా అవ్వాలి, మీ 30 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీరు షేర్ చేసుకున్న ప్రతిసారి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎలా గ్రో అయ్యారని ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ అన్నీ మా లైఫ్లో మేము గ్రో అవ్వడానికి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ల్యాబ్ పరంగా సైంటిఫికల్గా గ్రో అవ్వడానికి ఎలా ఏ స్టేజ్లో ఎలాంటి స్ట్రగుల్ ఉంటుంది, ఎలా స్ట్రగుల్ అవ్వాలి, ఎలా కష్టపడాలనేది చాలా చెప్పారు మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ద్వారా. అండ్ అది మాకు ఇప్పుడు చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అండ్ పర్సనల్ లైఫ్లో గ్రో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా లీడ్ అవ్వడానికి పేరెంట్స్ సపోర్ట్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఎలా అవసరమో, ప్రొఫెషనల్ లైఫ్లో కూడా మీలాంటి ప్రొఫెసర్స్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ చాలా అవసరం. అలాంటి బ్లెస్సింగ్ సపోర్ట్ మీ సైడ్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు ఉంటుందని ఆశిస్తూ హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Hello,
థ్యాంక్
sir.
యూ సార్.
Wish you all the best for your post retirement life. And I'm sure that your retirement life is definitely different from others because your passion for research is so amazing that it won't allow you to just sit and relax. Sir, you always give so much positive energy to us and inspire us to do hard work. I want to learn many things from you. Obviously, your research skills, your management skills, and your communication skills with different people, and most importantly, your caring nature. But one thing which inspiring me a lot is your extraordinary paper reading habit. Many times you shared interesting article with me even at midnight. This inspires me a lot, and I am looking forward to follow the same habit which you have. Sir, I am very fortunate that I am pursuing my PhD under your guidance, and I am looking forward to learn many things from you in future also. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, sir. A happy retirement to you. I wish you could stay a little longer with us, mentoring us, nurturing us to make the better version of ourselves. I will always admit that wherever I am today is totally because of you. It's a privilege and a blessing to work under you, and I am thankful to God that I am pursuing my PhD under your mentorship, which I will always cherish throughout my lifetime. And I will uphold the values, morals, scientific temperaments, and work ethics you have taught us. Finally, I wish for your good health and a long, peaceful life filled with joy and happiness. We are definitely going to miss you, sir. Thank you. See you soon.
Hello, sir. Firstly, I wish you a very happy retirement. I want to share a few words. Sir, you're really a great teacher and mentor. I'm always grateful to you for your support and your caring. Sir, I'm really inspired from you, especially from your polite nature, your management skill, your way of talking, and dedication for research. Sir, I will always feel proud that I have worked under you. Sir, you're very much student friendly. You always help student. That really means a lot. We are really going to miss you, sir. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. I know, sir, you must be smiling right now while watching all of our video messages. So, we are not celebrating your farewell. We are just celebrating the beginning of new era of your life. the beginning of new era, which will always bring smiles to your face. We all know that. And sir, we know that success defines you, and thus we all are sure that you will excel in all of your upcoming challenges. I wish and pray to Almighty that He keeps you and your family safe, healthy, and I wish that one day I get appreciation from you for all of my work. Hope to see you and all of my mentors and colleagues very soon. Stay happy, stay safe, sir. And I just know, sir, that I love your personality, the way you bring smile to your students and your colleagues. It's very nice when you scold also, because it makes us feel that no, we are doing some little bit of errors and we can improve. And it's feel extraordinarily, you know, out of this world when you just appreciate us, because we feel like yes, we are doing well, and our knowledge is getting diversified and everything. So I'm really very blessed and happy to have you as my mentor. And I know you are not that far away. You are just a phone call away, or maybe a mail away, or maybe a message away. And you will be always there for us. Always. And that's why, sir, we all are blessed to have you. Have you as a supervisor, have you as a HOD, have you as a head of the department, and NABTD, BRC, and we all Lab 28, 7, and 61 will always miss you. And that's it, sir. We are so lucky to have you. And I wish we all can see you and meet you very soon. Thank you, sir.